Hi, and welcome to this Bitcoin Lightning Network and Layer 2 Fundamentals course, where you will learn how the Lightning Network makes Bitcoin payments fast, affordable, and scalable, as well as how you can get started using Lightning Network today. I'm George Levy, and I will be your instructor. I began my professional career in 1998 as a co-founding team member of an internet startup that was acquired by Microsoft, where I became a regional manager. I was then recruited by the World Business Forum. I had the great opportunity to work with many of the leading minds in business, politics, and technology. I am currently a senior instructor and a lecturer at Blockchain Institute of Technology, the world standard for blockchain education and certification. We designed this course for anyone looking to understand how the Bitcoin Lightning Network and Layer 2 technologies work in an easy-to-understand manner. The ideal student for this course is someone who wants to quickly expand their knowledge of what the Lightning Network and Layer 2 blockchain technologies are. There are no previous requirements for taking this course, and you do not need to understand anything about blockchain to take this course. By the end of this course, you will know how the Lightning Network and Layer 2 work, and you'll be able to have educated conversations with others about both topics. You'll also learn how to start using the Lightning Network to send and receive Bitcoin payments almost instantly at a fraction of a penny in cost. Take a look at the course description, enroll now, and I'll see you inside.